Good afternoon, you guys. It is currently, hold on, what time is it? Because it's not morning anymore. It's 12:43, and I just decided to start vlogging now because it wasn't much going on this morning. So let's have a day doing nothing, y'all, because we're not doing nothing today. It's gonna be a chill day, but there was a wreath that the wreath finally came today, and I think the stockings for the shells are supposed to come today as well. So I want to go check that out. And then what else? I'm gonna eat some soup. So my aunt had made, like, it's called goat head soup in Thanksgiving. So we had some left over. So my mom heated it up. So I'm gonna eat some. But we're supposed to be making fish soup today. So yeah, I get the ingredients for that. I'm not making it though, y'all. I am not a cook. I'm not a chef. So yeah. Let's see, what else are we doing today? So yeah, I'm gonna look at the wreath. Let me put y'all over here. Mommy! Where you there? Make a look on the wreath. Okay. Y'all, the wreath came. I think this is it. I would show you guys outside the window display. I might show you tonight though, because it looks like better at night. But we did those like balls coming down. I've been seeing a lot of people doing it though. Like the house across the street did it. And I saw a house like around the block, like when I was walking home yesterday, that had them done too. And I was like, okay, everyone got the same ideas. But yeah. Oh, and look at my little Christmas tree, y'all. I bought this for like $20 last year, but I was like, you know what? You deserve some love too. So we did spray paint it as well. And then we just added a little bit of blue ornaments. It does turn on. I'll show you it later though when it's dark. But yeah, I'm ready to see the ornament. Not the ornament, the garland for the door. And then like I said, the stuff is supposed to come later. It says it's out for delivery. The stockings, we got blue and white stockings as well. So I'm gonna stuff them a bit when it's time to, like, you know, put them up on the fireplace. You wanna say hi? My mom is. Hi. We wanna. So now this is it. It looks really cute. It's the theme that we're going for. So yeah, we're gonna add like the like 2 blue flowers to it, you know, just to add a touch of blue. And then we have, I think there's like 1 silver flower that we got left. And then I think I'm gonna cut these. My mom got these at Dollar Tree, so you know, $1. So I'm gonna cut these off so that I can like stick them in here, so it can just, you know, have some silver and blue, which is our theme for this year. So let me do that. My mom already put the ones for. I'm wondering how we're gonna hang it to see. I mean, wait, y'all try to feel himself. They can't move around too much.
We can't, but you know.
Yeah, open door.
Like you, maybe I try to get in there.
This is how it looks. So this is how it looks, you guys.
My neck.
No, I wasn't.
It's yours.
You know, my
You're always lying.
You are choking my neck.
Stop lying.
You're lying, bro.
Stop
She really
lying.
She really did.
Okay, guys, so I am back. Okay, so where are we going?
ShopRite in Burlington.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So I'm back. Now we're going to ShopRite and Burlington. I don't know where we're going exactly. I'm going to stop talking though because I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, once we get there, I'll let y'all know. So y'all, we're at ShopRite now. Not you. We are at ShopRite. My mom's getting ingredients to make fish soup, so that's why we're here. And then after that, we're gonna go to Burlington to see if we can find any like wall decor, because like the pieces my mom got, they were too small, so she wants something like larger. Let me put my mask on properly. You need to get in here. You know, so they sell wine in here. Yes. You said me go over there go look. I'm gonna go over there go look. Oh, and that's that wine. Right? Yeah, so we're in ShopRite, and did y'all know they started selling wine in here? Well, alcohol, not just wine, but I'm here for it because I love ShopRite. I love ShopRite, okay?
We have posted limits on product purchases throughout the store. Please be considerate of your friends.
And I've been wanting to get me a nice Moscato. So they got the peach bubbly. Let me show you. They got the barefoot bubbly. Yeah. See the teleport here. See this, y'all? White, it's wine Hennessy. Teleport. So, yeah. So we're making cakes, right? But we don't have like traditional red label wine. But teleport works just as great. I don't know if it's this one though. Because you know it's different flavors. But yeah. Mm-hmm. We got green bananas for the soup. And then I think this is yellow yam. Y'all, look at these plantains. What is this? What is this supposed to do? It looks like a banana. Yeah, I can't. Okay. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, y'all. So now we're at Burlington. There's a TJ Maxx over here too. So if we don't find anything in Burlington, we might check in there. Let me see what time it is. It is currently what? 4:57. Not too late. Yeah, look what I just found. A black Santa. Won't he do it? Because I've been wanting a black Santa. I hope he's not expensive. I don't know if I'm getting him yet though. It's $20. So I'm gonna think on it while I'm in here. Yes. Been looking for you. I'm looking for something blue because I want to low-key do a Christmas intro like for future vlogs. But I seen these ones. What I really wanted though was like a onesie. But oh, I see. Right, these and stuff. You know, like red clothes isn't like. Oh, maybe this. You know what? I might do like this. This is cute. This is mad cute. Is the whole piece $12.99? I think so. I think so. And they got blue. They got blue. Look, mommy. This one says what? Just take an Elfie. And this one said Jingle Bells. It's cheaper, but okay.
Whatever. Johnny will like it though.
Oh.
It's baby's first Christmas. We've got the cute stuff pullover, like holiday outfits, blankets, rattles, and more. And to fuel any child's creative side, we've got arts and crafts supplies that'll keep them entertained for hours. It's all here and ready to go under the tree. Burlington. Love the gifts. Love the deals.
Trying to think what would look good on the wall. This is huge. Well, this one's cute. Alright, you guys, so we're all done shopping. Hold on. We're all done shopping. Oh, you have it? Yeah, guys, so we're all done shopping. It's raining. But yeah, I'm going to close out the vlog here so that I can, you know, start editing the vlog when I get home to post it tonight. I think it's like 6 o'clock now. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. We're all done with Burlington. We did get a good. Oh, yo, my AirPods fell in the water. But yes, before my AirPods fell in the water. Yep, so I'm going to close out this vlog here. And then I will see you in my next one tomorrow or the day after. Like I said, I might group them if I don't have that much content. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you want to see more videos. Bye.